I think that's a part that we don't really talk about within project management is having the ability to negotiate. I would even add, besides negotiation and meditation, I would also add persuasion, being able to be persuasive. That's why I think every project manager should have the opportunity to go in sales and do it for a month or two, or even if you don't want to do it, read some sales books because it's going to be imperative that when you are speaking to your stakeholders, how are you going to get them to be on the same page as you and they don't report to you? You know how I'm going to tell you how you do that. You have to be just as committed or even more. You have to go above and beyond or even more than what they're doing because then they'll see your value. They say, oh, this person, he wants to get into the fight with me. He doesn't want to sit on the sideline and just dictate what we should be doing. No, he's willing to assist and he's not using, I got in trouble for this last time, so I'm coming back again. So if you're paying attention, you can go ahead and comment again. You gotta have to get in there and sometimes help your stakeholders, even though it's not your job, but it's part of your project. And if you're really committed, not interested,